Hello Blaze Rangers and welcome. Ginger Hitman here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my first ever My Little Pony vinyl collectible figure, and it's going to be on the Daring Do Dazzle figure. And here's her face, her mane, her safari hat. On this end, the logo and the figure it is, Daring Do Dazzle. On the back here is the My Little Pony logo for Daring Do. And here is look for more My Little Pony vinyl collectibles from Funko, and there's a little warning there. On this end it has her face, and the logo down here. And over here is her side hat, her mane, her face, her top, her wings, her flank, and her cutie mark. Over here is her tail, as you will see as I unbox it now. Very easy to open for my very first vinyl figure collectible. Holy heck, too easy to open, other than taking it out here. Sorry about that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is her as I take her out here. Yep. Here's her face here. Her hat on top, as has. And over here is her wing. There's her coyote mark, a gold compass with a green background, if we're able to make it out there. There's the logo again, and the weird whatever that is there. Sorry if it goes all babblery. There's her tail. Not much to review on her. From the other side here. Her tail again. There's her outfit. Her uniform, as it were. Yeah. Not that bad, like feeling to it, it's heavy enough. You want to go on an adventure? You want to adventure? You want to adventure? Do you want to adventure? Anyway, it says in my first vinyl figure collectible of the My Little Ponies. But yeah, remember to subscribe and become a Blaze Ranger today, or you won't go on any adventures with me. I'm watching you. Always watching. And yeah, other than that, bye everybody.